Latvia gets its first Hunter infantry fighting vehicle.
Latvia HS receive the TS first Hunter infantry fighting vehicle, just 12 months after signing the contract. Marking a delivery pace that stand in sharp contrast to the multi-year way that have characterized the many European armored vehicle program and NATO's eastern flank nation race to rebuild their ground combat capability. General Dynamics European Land System, the European subsidiary of the American defense giant General Dynamics, announced the delivery of the first Hunter vehicle to Latvia, confirming the arrival commence alongside a technology and know-how transfer to a Latvian industrial partner that will enable in-country assembly of subsequent vehicles. The announcement was made by Dell Vice President Alejandro Page, who also serve as Managing Director of Dell Santa Barbara Sistema, the Spanish manufacturing arm of the program. The Hunter is a tracked infantry fighting vehicle based on the ASCO platform, a combat-proven design developed jointly by Austria and Spain that has been in service with the Austrian Army as a Ulan and the British Army as a warrior successor candidate, as well as with the Spanish Army as a Pizarro. Latvia selected the ASCO after an international competition, choosing a tracked IFV rater than an 8x8 wheeled platform. In-country assembly and maintenance in Latvia will be handled through Defense Partnership Latvia, a Patria majority joint venture, giving the Latvian defense industrial base a direct role in the program rather than simply receiving finished vehicles from abroad. Latvia order 84 Hunter infantry fighting vehicles in two batches of 42, the first contracted in January 2025 and the second in June 2025. The Baltic state of 1.8 million people shares a land border with Russia to the east and Belarus to the south. And has been among the most vocal advocates within NATO for accelerating alliance reinforcement and host nation force development since Russia's full-scale invasion of Ukraine in February 2022. Latvia host a NATO enhanced forward presence battle group led by Canada, and the Latvian National Armed Force have been expanding and modernizing at a pace that would have seemed politically impossible before 2022. The Hunter program fit directly into that expansion. A modern tracked IFV give Latvian infantry units the protected mobility and firepower to operate alongside NATO reinforcing force in the combined arms environment for which the alliance is now explicitly training. The 12-month timeline from contract signature to first vehicle delivery is the headline of this announcement. European Armored Vehicle Program have historically taken years from contract to first delivery, with programs like the German Puma Infantry Fighting Vehicle experiencing qualification delayed at stretched production timeline by years beyond original schedule. The Hunter delivery timeline suggests Dell priorities the manufacturing readiness and supply chain preparation before contract signature, and it reflects the broader European defense industry shift toward compressing delivery timeline a customer urgency has increased sharply since 2022. The in-country assembly element add a dimension that goes beyond the immediate delivery. Latvia receiving technology and know-how transfer through Defense Partnership Latvia means subsequent vehicles will be assembled in Latvia rather than shipped complete from Spain. That arrangement serve multiple purposes simultaneously. It develop Latvian domestic defense industrial capacity that the country currently lack in armored vehicles. It creates skilled employment and a local maintenance and sustainment capability that reduce long-term dependence on the prime contractor. And it generate political support within Latvia for the program by distributing economic benefit domestically. For a small NATO nation building ETS industrial base from a low starting point, en in-country assembly arrangement ou en 84 véhicules programme is a meaningful step towards the kind of defense industrial resilience that NATO has been encouraging member states to develop. Latvia's Minister of Defense, speaking at the delivery ceremony, framed the program explicitly in those terms. The Hunter program strengthens both national defense and local industry, going hand in hand to build resilience, the minister said. That formulation, linking military capability to industrial capacity in a single sentence, reflect a strategic understanding that has become standard in Baltic defense planning, being able to field modern equipment matters, but others being able to maintain, repair, and eventually replace it without depending entirely on supply chain that run through other countries. The effectiveness of industrial cooperation with ally in today's security environment is how Alejandro Page, Del VP and Managing Director of Santa Barbara Sistema, characterized the significance of the delivery. Linking the Latvian program to a broad model of allied industrial partnership that Del has been developing across multiple European markets.